So it's great to be back with you today. We have snuck up on tax time again, so we wanted to kind of touch on two things today. Maybe a few strategies that we could still use for our 2016 tax filing, and then shift to 2017 ideas as well. So the few things, since it is past the end of the year deadlines for 2016, if you're eligible, you might consider doing an IRA contribution, or which would potentially be deductible this year. Also, you might be eligible for a Roth IRA deduction. And for those of you viewers that are business owners, if you haven't done a retirement plan, you might consider a SEP IRA. So those are a few things that you still would be able to do if you're eligible, so you have to check on your eligibility. Thinking ahead for 2017, same things, the IRA, the Roth IRA, or SEP would certainly be options. Expanded options would be if you have an employer plan at work, that'd be your 401k, 403b, depends if you're a for-profit or not-for-profit. You would certainly want to maximize those. That will help you next year at tax time. If you're self-employed this year, again, the SEP would work potentially. Also, because you could start it this year, you could do a simple IRA or a solo 401k, depending again on the structure of your business, is the real drivers of which of those different plans you start out with. Some other things to consider this year, your medical insurance. If you have a high deductible medical plan, I like the health savings account. So that's something, again, you would go to your employer, or if you're self-employed, you just need to check with your professional agent to figure out what type of plan you have and are you eligible. Probably be lots of changes with the new Trump administration for health care and HSA types of accounts this year as well. Some other things to think about. Never too early to be thinking about stock loss sales. So far this year, the market has been pretty good. But you may, if you own individual stocks or even mutual funds, you may have something in your portfolio that has a loss. So it's a great time to take a tax loss, swap into something else. Again, keeping in mind with those stock losses, be sure if you like the stock but want to take the loss, do not buy it back, incur wash sale rules. Again, consult your expert on that. And then also charitable giving. Never a bad time to be doing that. In particular, what I was thinking is charitable gifts of securities. So the opposite, if you have some stocks that have had a really good run-up, be a great time to gift those away. You gift the stock, get the full deduction potentially, and your charity is fine with it because they're not-for-profit, so they don't pay capital gains. So a few different ideas for last year and this year. Again, highly recommend. This is just ideas to get you thinking about different ideas. Please consult your tax professional, tax attorney, and be sure you're eligible for some of these different ideas here in 2016 and 2017. And continue to enjoy this beautiful spring weather. Thanks for having us on.